All right. Well, good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning. No, it's Wednesday morning. And we'll do a cold start without the radio, without the blower in Ruby. Except that it's only 36, 38 degrees this morning. So, here we go. There's no choke set up on this. It's got some aftermarket Holley carburetor on there that I don't really know how I feel about it. So I'm giving it just a little bit of feathering with my foot on the gas pedal. But as you can hear, she fires right off really nice. And it has on the coldest morning. It's one of the reasons I really love gasoline engines as opposed to diesels. But not all of them are like this. Alrighty.